Hey guys, what's up? If you've been to the channel before, you've probably seen a lot of content focusing on the Suzuki DR650. Back in 2025, when we revived the channel, that really wasn't the plan, it just sort of played out that way. In truth, while I was aware of the DR650, I'd never owned one or actually even ridden one prior to 2025. Since then, a few DRs have passed through the garage and a couple are still here. So it seems like a good time to take a look at a couple different exhausts. First up, I'm sure we're all likely familiar with the anemic sounding boat anchor that comes stock on the bike. Next up, we got the Shorty exhaust, or you might know it by another name, the eBay Special. This actually consists of a separate muffler and mid-pipe. Installation on this one's actually quite simple, and the entire assembly weighs about 1/3 of the stock system. For me, the tone or volume was kind of harsh, so it got really annoying at highway speed, so I ended up adding a baffle in between the muffler and the mid-pipe. Next up is the FMF slip-on. On this one, the muffler and mid-pipe are one piece. Installation on this was a bit more challenging. For whatever reason, the outer diameter of the FMF pipe was a bit larger than the header pipe on the DR. So I had to expand the header pipe on the bike and use a bit of extra encouragement to get the FMF pipe to fit in. Overall, I'm happy with the FMF setup. The problem is you will have to rejet if you use it on the DR. It's unlike the Shorty system. It did not require rejetting. Without it, the bike will run quite lean. In fact, I'd need to do that to this guy here. All right, let's line them up, give them a listen. We'll see you next time.